Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Tecno Spark 20C. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom, then another one on top of the screen, and there's also, I think, speaker right here, but I'm not sure, we're gonna check it anyway. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. Okay, so the sound is coming from both a bottom speaker and vocal speaker. Now let's also try this one. And yep, the sound is coming from all of the speakers, and this one is also a speaker, and I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.